Good afternoon, Miss Nina.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay, so today we are going to do evaluation. So I will ask from the LP that you have made for this week. So we start from the sounds great. Okay, what kinds of sounds that you have delivered to the students?
For this week, I have talked to them that about Unit 1. That is one is at, am, at the, at me, at p. Yeah.
So there are three kinds. Okay, so can you give some examples for each of these?
Okay, for at, sat, bat, mat. For am, ram, dam, and yam. For app, tap, and nap.
So how many examples did you give for each of these? 9. So three for at,
3 for am, and 3 for app.
All right. Okay, now we move to little step.
Yes.
Little steps here. There are some checkpoint questions. So how can you explain to the students about maybe a cloth or something that they wear when it is rain?
Okay. When I asked to them, what do you wear if the weather is rain? And then I say to them, we wear raincoat when the weather is
raining.
Yeah, it's rain.
Okay. And then the little step here also, why do you put this is in bahasa? Siswa mampu menyebutkan beberapa pakaian berpasangan.
Yes,
this is checkpoint.
Yeah, I mean the checkpoint number 2, right? What is the one?
I mean, why must be in bahasa? It's supposed to be in English, right?
Yes, but in LP in bahasa, Miss.
In bahasa.
Yeah. But actually, we always teach them about in English.
I mean, the checkpoint number 1 is English, Miss. What do you wear when it's
under that one, Miss? What is the kind of?
Okay. So, okay. My bad. Okay. So, how do you explain to them about a pair of the socks?
Okay.
And then what is the relation between the question in checkpoint 1 and 2?
About the kinds of clothes still.
Yeah.
Socks. For the one,
socks.
The kinds of the clothes, about the weather for the first, and then the second is the pair. Can you mention the pair of the kinds of the clothes, like socks, like shoes, and the other like that?
Okay. Okay, so your CP question unit 3, is it? Because I see here that it is reviewing also.
Yeah.
Unit 3, 4, or 5, or 6?
Unit 3.
Unit 3 only. How about unit 4?
No, unit 3 actually there are some CPQ unit 3 until 6. We just ask randomly.
Okay. So, how did you explain to them about what they see in the farm?
What do you see in the farm? You can see farmer, grass, animals like a duck, and the others.
How about the animals that you can find in the farm?
You can see chicken, duck, pig, and the other, and etc.
How about the cow, sheep, and the duck? What do they do?
What, Miss?
What do they do in the farm?
What is that? What is
cow, sheep, the duck.
Cow and sheep eat grass.
Pardon?
Eat grass for cow and sheep.
Okay, how about the farmer? What do they do with the farm?
Feed the animal on the farm.
Okay, can you explain about this? You say to the students about how many times we eat in a day. How can you explain this?
What is it? What is it?
How many times do you eat in a day? How can you explain about this?
For this, I said to them like this.
Mm.
How many times do you eat in a day? If we eat in the morning, we say breakfast. If we eat in the afternoon, we say lunch. And if we eat in the evening, we say dinner. We eat 3 times in a day.
Okay. So how can you explain to them about the food that they eat in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening?
Okay. Before I ask them, I explain to them the kinds of the food. Okay. In the morning, we can drink milk. We can eat oatmeal. In the afternoon, we can eat mineral water or juice and chicken and rice. And in the evening, we can eat rice and mineral water or the other.
Okay. Now we move to Pictionary English, Miss.
Yes, miss.
This is part 14, right?
No, miss. 17.
17. Oh, yeah. Okay. What is balance?
Balance is things are equal or steady. Long explanation. Imagine you stand up with a 1 feet. It needs balance so you don't fail. So you don't fall.
Wow.
For example, like a seesaw that balance when the both of kids are same weight.
So we call that as balance. Balance. Okay. How about bad?
That is not good. Long explanation. If you make something bad, someone will feel sad. For example, if you eat candy too much, it's not good for your teeth.
Okay. How about beef? Beef.
Beef is
Not beef. Beef. Beef.
a cloth to keep clothes clean. When you eat something, for example, I wear beef when I eat
How to read? Beef or beef?
beef.
Beef? Are you sure?
Beef, B-I-B.
Yes. Is
Yes.
it beef?
Yes. Beef.
Okay, we
In
try ya.
bahasa Tomat.
We try ya. I think beef, not beef.
B-I-B.
But you say beef.
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 Beef. Yes. B-I-B. You just check.
Wait, yeah. Maybe I'm wrong.
Bib.
Beef.
Beef.
Not beef. Beef.
Beef.
Bib.
Okay.
Beef.
One more time, yeah.
Bib.
So,
Beef.
yeah.
Like that.
Yes.
Okay.
Beef, beef daging.
Beef.
Beef daging sapi.
Yes.
Beef. Beef. Beef, yeah.
Beef.
Okay. So don't be wrong later when you say this to the
Yeah,
students.
later they copy me.
Okay, yes. Right. For example,
I wear beef.
beef. No,
When
beef, please.
Beef,
Not
beef.
F.
Beef,
Beef.
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 I wear beef.
Not beef, miss.
So what?
Beef.
Beef.
Not F. Beef is daging sapi.
Yeah, I know. So beef.
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 Not B. Not F.
Beef. B like beef.
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 Not beef. Beef. Beef.
Beef.
You can learn later, yeah. Okay, not beef, but beef.
Yes. Beef.
Okay. So
I wear
for
that
example,
one when I eat spaghetti, so it cannot dirty because it can catch up the sauce on my
sauce
clothes,
on your.
my clothes or
Okay. So please try at home, yeah. Not
Yes,
beef,
okay,
yeah.
yes.
Beef. I'm still feeling disturbing when you say beef, beef. Okay then. How about blindfold?
Blindfold is a cloth to cover your eyes.
The additional explanation.
Explanation. Witness. It's hard to see.
For example,
when you play a bit of a donkey, you use blindfold.
Okay. How about blush?
Blush is if you feel shy, it make your cheeks become red.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
The additional explanation. How does it look like?
It look like your cheek become red if you feel shy.
Example?
If you meet your what is that? Your crush, and then you feel shy, and then your cheek become.
How can you say this to the student? They are still
Yes,
K1.
that's why Miss. If
You can edit.
For example, it's like, but
Yes.
it's not my part to make that one. Right?
This is not appropriate. The words.
Oh yes. For example, like this, if the teacher call you and then you
Yeah.
feel shy like that, right?
Ah.
I know. That's why I see. What happened with this one?
Who made this?
On Monday.
Maybe you even it's not your part. You can discuss first, Miss. When you see like this, right?
So how
It's
can
not
the
good.
yes, I know that one.
I mean, have you delivered this
Deliver
to the students?
all of us.
Have,
Or we just
have you given this?
no, that one, not all, because we don't have much time, right? Only the sum of.
I mean,
That
if,
one.
for example, you give this explanation to them, how?
Yes, I know that one actually.
Okay then. Next, Buffet. What is that?
Buffet is a place where you take so many food. You can long explanation. You can take your favorite. You can take the food that you like.
Example?
For example, I can take pizza. I can take orange juice or the other if I like or I want by myself.
Button mushrooms. What is that?
Tomorrow is a small mushroom.
Small mushroom. The explanation?
It's like a button.
It's like button.
It's like a button, right?
Example?
Example, we can cook soup with mushroom. Or you can make pizza and then you can put on that one for topping. Can right that one?
You said soup.
No. If for example, if you want to make pizza, you can put topping mushroom or
I mean, just now when you say soup,
soup.
you say soup.
No, that one is pizza. For example, like pizza.
I mean, I just want to correct
I know you.
your statement just now when you say soup. Soup, right?
Soup.
So, why do you like to say almost?
Yes,
Mostly.
Okay.
Okay, then. Okay, now we move to rainbow science. What do living things need?
Living things need water, air, and food.
Okay. Did you explain to them, for example, living things need water for this one, for drinking, for example? Did you explain to them?
Okay.
Oh, all right. This is for tomorrow, yeah? No?
For tomorrow, rainbow science. What is that?
Yeah, rainbow science. You haven't, right? You
For
haven't.
today.
So, did you explain, for example, living things need water for drinking?
For example, like this, if you feel thirsty, you can drink
Drink
water.
water.
Because,
How about
for
air?
every day we always what is that? Take a breath, miss. What is that? With the air.
Take a breath.
Take a breath with the air. That. Maybe simple example, right? For that.
Yeah, we try first.
Breath.
Yes, breath.
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 No. It seems like there is how to say that, there's a bit wind on in our mouth, like
Breath.
thin breath like that. Okay. Maybe because of the teeth, yeah.
I don't know.
Because say well, yeah. Try at home, Miss.
Kita yung gitu.
I mean, I don't judge because we are teachers, right?
Yes,
we must
You
say
must
to the
master
students
the
clearly, right?
Master right.
And then we force them to, how to say that,
Properly and nicely,
to
but
pronounce well, but we as a teacher didn't do that. I mean, like, yeah, we must learn also at home. Yeah. Okay, Miss. Okay, now we move to ASP Bahasa. Oke, jadi di ASP Bahasa ini tentang makanan kesukaan. Benar? Iya kan?
Makanan kesukaan.
Jadi iya, karena saya lihat di sini ada pertanyaan tentang apa saja. Oh, bukan, sorry. Mainan kesukaan. Oh iya, mainan kesukaan. Saya pun saya lihat ya, mainan. Ini handphone saya sudah rusak. Jadi, ini ha. Oke. Jadi, bagaimana Miss menjelaskan tentang mainan kesukaan ini kepada murid-murid? Apakah Miss menjelaskan mainan itu adalah sesuatu ini atau mereka memang sudah tahu mainan itu seperti apa gitu?
Mainan kesukaan saya akan menjelaskan tentang benda apa yang kamu sukain ketika kamu mau bermain di rumah. Seperti apa? Benda yang disukain oleh anak-anak terbagi menjadi dua, untuk laki-laki dan perempuan. Laki-laki biasanya mobil, untuk perempuan biasanya boneka, seperti itu.
Okay, now we move to dictionary bahasa ya, Miss. Coba jelaskan tentang prasmanan, Miss.
Prasmanan, makanan yang kita bisa ambil dengan sendirinya, yang ada di atas meja, makanan yang telah tersedia dan kita ambil dengan sendirinya.
Penjelasan tambahannya?
Penjelasan tambahannya, kita bisa mengambil makanan dengan sendirinya apa yang kita inginkan dan kita sukai.
Oke. Rak buku.
Rak buku, tempat untuk menyimpan buku.
Penjelasan tambahannya?
Kita bisa menyusun buku dengan rapi di dalam rak buku.
Penutup mata.
Penutup mata, alat untuk menutup mata kita ketika tidur.
Penjelasan tambahannya?
Dengan penutup mata kita mudah tidur.
Kurang lengkap. Alat makan bayi.
Alat makan bayi. Alat untuk bayi ketika makan. Alat bantuan untuk menutup baju mereka agar tidak kotor.
Agar tidak kotor ya.
Ya.
Bak mandi.
Bak mandi, bak untuk mandi. Tempat untuk mandi.
Bak mandi, bak untuk mandi.
Ya.
Penjelasan tambahannya?
Kita bisa mandi dengan segar dengan menggunakan bak air.
Air yang telah kita tampung di bak mandi tersebut. Begitu. Lengkaplah dibuat, Miss, penjelasannya ya. Keseimbangan. Jangan hanya gara-gara nanti gagal pula.
Nolak, Miss. Bahasa Indonesia.
Keseimbangan.
Kita
ya.
Keseimbangan.
saya harus menyesuaikan penjelasan Miss dengan apa yang Miss buat dalam Pictionary bahasa ini. Begitu. Jadi kalau banyak yang saya lihat tidak sama, berlarian, wajar saya gagalkan kan. Oke. Keseimbangan apa tadi, Miss?
Kita membutuhkan keseimbangan agar tidak terjatuh.
Penjelasan tambahannya?
Kita menjaga keseimbangan ketika kamu berdiri dengan satu kaki ataupun yang lainnya.
Oke. Jamur kancing.
Jamur kancing, jamur putih dan bulat.
Putih dan bulat ya. Berarti jamur kancing ini hanya berwarna putih begitu?
Iya.
Penjelasan tambahannya?
Jamur yang bisa kita masak.
Dalam bentuk apa dia? Digoreng kah dia apa?
Di sop, dikasih untuk atasan makanan seperti pizza dan yang lain.
Memukul,
menyentuh sesuatu dengan kuat.
Oke. Penjelasan tambahannya?
Memukul sesuatu dengan kuat. Forget that one.
Forget, gagal lah.
Menyentuh sesuatu dengan kuat.
Apa lagi penjelasannya?
Contohnya, kamu memukul benda di atas meja.
Oke. Now we move to ISP Science. ISP Science ya.
Oke.
Tadi Rainbow Science, udah ya sekarang ISP Science ya. Oke. Bagaimana Miss menjelaskan tentang bagian-bagian dari mobil kepada murid-murid?
Saya akan menunjukkan gambar di dashboard dengan menunjukkan gambar mobil dan menyebutkan bagian-bagian dari mobil. Bagian mobil ada beberapa seperti kaca, roda, spion, dan yang lain-lain.
Dan lain-lain.
Roda, spion,
Berapa
jendela, pintu.
Berapa contoh yang Miss kasih? Bagian-bagian 4.
Roda, jendela, spion, pintu.
Jadi apa saja kendaraan pendek?
Kendaraan pendek seperti mobil dan sepeda motor.
Alright, I think enough for the evaluation for today. Okay, my input here, yeah, Miss. Even though it's not your part to do or to make, for example, like the Pictionary English, right? It's better you discuss first, or maybe if you find something weird, yeah, aneh, or not proper for the student, because this is supposed to be for K1, right? They are still kid. And then I found just now for the definition of blush, it's like for a crush.
Yes,
it's not
proper.
Yeah.
It's not proper.
Yeah, it's not appropriate for them. You can discuss with other teacher first before you give this to the students, Miss. Because I think maybe, even though not all parents, maybe some of the parents will ask their children, or maybe will see that, right? So I hope for the next it's not like this anymore. Yeah, Miss? And for the sounds grade, you did well. For little steps, you could answer and explain it well. Rainbow Science, just the problem is for the Pictionary Bahasa. Maybe some of them you couldn't remember, or you couldn't explain them. For the Pictionary English, actually, you could answer. You could explain it well. And for ISP Science. But because I see that most of the questions I have asked you could answer. So I think in this evaluation you pass, Miss. Thank you, Miss. Yeah.